we're going to work through an example of finding the equation of a line in two different forms and use concepts involving parallel and perpendicular lines, so keep watching. I'm Allison from Math Bytes, and we're doing an example of finding the equation of a line. So here we go. Write the equation of the line that passes through the point 5, -1, and is parallel to the line with the equation y equals 2x minus 3. Okay, so first we need to remember that parallel lines have the same slope. Now, this line is in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. And m is our slope. So in this case of y equals 2x minus 3, m is equal to 2. So our new line will have a slope of 2. So far for our new line we have y equals 2x plus b. Now we're going to plug in our point and find our y-intercept. So plugging in our x and y values, we get -1 equals 2 times 5 plus b. That gives us -1 equals 10 plus b. Subtracting 10 from both sides, I get -1 minus 10 equals 10 minus 10 plus b, or b equals -11. So the equation of our line that is parallel to the original line and contains the point 5, -1 is the line y equals 2x plus -11, or 2x minus 11. Okay, let's keep going and write our equation now in point-slope form. So our equation is y equals 2x minus 11. The slope, m, is equal to 2. Now to use point-slope form, we need to find a point on this line. So let's set x equal to 1. And we get y equals 2 times 1 minus 11. That's equal to 2 minus 11, or -9. So now we can plug this into point-slope form. Point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. And in this case, that gives us y minus -9 equals 2 times the quantity x minus 1, or y plus 9 equals 2 times quantity x minus 1. Okay, let's go one step further. What is the slope of a line perpendicular to our line y plus 9 equals 2 times quantity x minus 1? Now remember, perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals of each other. So in this case, our slope m is equal to 2. The reciprocal of 2 is 1/2. The negative reciprocal of 2 is -1/2. So the slope of a line perpendicular to this line is -1/2. To learn more about this topic, watch our videos on the Math Bytes with Allison YouTube channel.